fish and chips.
Hello, everyone. How are you today? I'm great. Today, we will learn about fish and chips. In the picture, you see potatoes and fish. A lemon is on the fish and chips. Let's begin class by learning some words.
Serve. When you serve food and drink, you give them to people. In the picture, the woman holds 2 cups of coffee on a tray. She is serving the coffee to people. Squeeze. If you squeeze something, you press it strongly with your hand. In the picture, someone squeezes the toothpaste tube. So the toothpaste comes out of the tube.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Serve. Squeeze.
Now you will read a story. After you read it, you will take a quiz.
Do you like fish? How about fried fish? We make fried fish and serve it with chips and a slice of lemon. The chips are French fries. We squeeze the lemon over the fried fish. People like tartar sauce with the fried fish. The color of tartar sauce is light yellow. Have you ever tried fish and chips?
How do we cook fish to make fish and chips? We fry the fish. We steam the fish. What sauce is popular to eat with fish? Lemon sauce. Tartar sauce.
Have you ever tried tartar sauce? It's a white sauce we use on seafood. This is the end of our lesson about fish and chips. See you next class. Goodbye.